I wonder if you bring the same meaning to relationships as I do. I regard relationships as the most important part of life. Hi, I'm Susan Regan, and I'm a relationship expert and coach, a mediator, family therapist, and seasoned couple therapist. And I've been running lots of groups to help people transform themselves in relationships. So, whether you find yourself in a relationship that's struggling and you're not quite sure what to do, but you really want to make a decision of what direction you should go, or if you're in a relationship where you feel like you have been so connected with this person many times before, but this time there's a disconnect and you want to get the relationship back, or you've had a huge heartbreak and you're not only trying to figure out if you want to be in a relationship again, but you're really trying to mend the relationship with yourself and grow. No matter where you are in relationships, I can help you. So click the link below and get some more information about me and the services I offer. Sign up for a 15-minute inquiry call with me. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I send lots of videos and reels out regarding relationship tips and interesting facts that might really help you along your journey of bettering yourself in relationships, including the one with yourself. I look forward to connecting with you soon.